we have the iPad 2, which has been brought in by a customer that they dropped it and have broken the digitizer. We will now replace it with the spare digitizer here. I don't advise doing this at home for a couple of reasons. One, that the screen is all glued into the iPad, and if you don't know what you're doing, there is cables underneath the digitizer that you will cut through. So I will show you this once I've heated up the outside of the screen and started and pried it loose. Once I've got it off, we'll resume this and I'll show you the cables that are easily broken and will give you a headache. So what we do is we just hold this down. You can take a hair dryer, warm the outside of it. Take a very sharp blade, and what you do is you get underneath the screen and slowly slide the blade until you pry the screen loose. Like I said, there are cables underneath that you may break, like you said. Once you've pried this open, for instance here, see there's a cable there. You just got to be careful of. Alright, you can cut. Cut. Yeah, here we have the old part of the digitizer. It's been removed. You now have to remove these pieces. Alright, the new digitizer is on. I haven't glued it in as yet. We just make sure that everything's working good. Customer's code is in. Everything comes up good. Everything's working good. We're looking good. Okay, next step now is just to put all the tape around the outside of this so we can glue it back in. Everything will be good. $70 and the screen is $60.
My customer doesn't have to enjoy none of this
Yeah, none of the problems of
entertainment.
Thanks for tuning in, and for all your iPod, laptop and iPad screens, give us a call. Empress Computers, 713-824-6960 is my cell number, or 281-647-9977 is our direct number. Signing off, Len Tiene.